Adwadifo ye wo ho dwane mu na no pay ye cherepe mu odin de etia wo mra MCE crash penny owura bonso divine na ni nyina ne se eto a wogegye e wo dwane mu no ano odin ma wo mo pa nti wo so mo ye bibi de fa ho ma menkwa ahoma no so na me ne wode hye ba usujo eni nkomo wode hye ba ote yenka ye mo ha yada se na demonstration omguso ana wo ma wie ehe na akoduru.
If I said the Kankan, demonstration about the America says to my best address and num educate them crane and a demonstration in about ye. Now, the Odikan Ekayano, I just say a year at the before almost central market. Omatumo in the central market credit association. And on which I say a year who central a municipality assembly no, MCE no, honorable Bonson, a divine, and almost 18 Namabia, Sebi, and Shedda Infano Kwamu. Omo HRS MCE method that be a was set on a kind of committee, or mobile jam on the Jessica or no ma, and some by so. Now, I just say, or Yima, and I put a cream mother, Edema, a Tradino, and I put a deform more on the mono, and now on HRS, in fact, MCE Quampo, and I'm so comfortable, I'm a being I for Quampo at me, Abetino, and in the back, Nina, and so more resist and consent. Wafa tumi kwan so agye eye studio of market one ma eno no asambro no enim ho hwe eno enande o mai saye kekesi we a amen say in fact sade na MCE ne ye no ase enhyedan fa kwan nti omo de petition for ma eye the voter regional coordinating council eno mu na eye the deputy eye so the coordinating director ewo eye voter regional coordinating council no opinion agi kata no a wo de ato yanim se obehwe se Katambeka a minister and sa na sisa no kasapa de this is a maternity antino e dey say MCE opinion divine bonso center for nchemo hanoma ye ne ndiko ka na emisa nsa ne bia no agree no more against ono no anya bia e yampa na say e yampa mention na ona boka
assembly has giving shop under the gun built under President Mahama giving to her to allocate she has allocated the shops to her cronies. Now, her fear is that there is a new and a gargantuan market stores that will be allocating or will be given out soon. And she is worried that this time none will be coming to her to allocate to anybody again. So she is fighting for recognition, and then this will be given to her and she will share to her cronies. I am telling you on record, shops that she has given to people in the market, we have receipts of his members who are claiming they have not given the shops, even though they have paid for the shops. And all these things, taking money, space money, and other things, now assembly is taking in. The money is not going to individual pockets. Those are the things that are bringing development to the market, and I'll continue to do it once it is not criminal. Okay, so just in a few minutes, you're live on Adom TV. So as she's levying the allegations against you, that is like you might even be able to even pick her up. No? That's a lie.
How true is it?
That is a lie. I don't have power to do that. But when you are doing leveling allegation, she should be ready to authenticate that. And NIB, I think they'll pick it up from there.
Okay, and she mean about a firm on Quatamako, MCE Bonsu, Edema, Divine Edema, O Central Municipality, no, and then I would say, allegations not in there, the deformed ban of more O Central, ever being so no, there's a no cobia in him, and she also any that shouldn't come over Hanoma, that's to experience Yobeka Biano, and Yambeka Bomono. Yeah, that's a papa.